We are indeed privileged to have noted educationist and social worker Ms. Gurjot Kaur amongst us.
Ms. Gurjot Kaur completed her post-graduation in Information Technology. She is the director of Ajit Group of Publications, Sara Multiplex, Jalandhar. She is also General Secretary and Trustee of Nari Niketan, Jalandhar.
Besides, she is also a member of Board of Control and Board of Studies in Punjab at Guru Nanak Dev University, Amritsar. Along with, she is a member of Committee of Harassment of Working Women of Pushpa Gujral Science City. Last but not the least, she is a member of Advisory Committee of Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji Chair by Punjab Technical University.
Good morning. Today we had the annual function of APJ School Pre-Primary Wing. There were about 300 participants who were all on the stage. The theme of the function was Birds of Paradise. We believe at APJ that every child has an immense talent, and the talent can be explored in partnership with the parents and teachers. So I am so thankful to all our parents, media and all the supporting people with whose support this program has been a success. Thank you very much.
ਨਵੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਤਾਜ਼ਾ ਖਬਰਾਂ ਦੇਖਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਚੈਨਲ ਨੂੰ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰੋ।